just seems like a good number.
So the 4 is the fourth dark band or the?
Bright band, those are bright spots. So. One, two, three, 4, and that is 0.8 centimeters. Where n is equal to 4. And now I'm going to do n is equal to -4 and go to the other side. Ideally, it's the same distance, but reality sometimes laughs. And that's looking like 0.87 centimeters. So for n is equal to 4, I'm just going to take the average of these two. So for n is equal to 4, we have y is equal to 0.835 centimeters. So let's plug and chug. We'll leave one other thing here, but y, that is this distance right here from the central point to which value of n I'm looking at. And so this is 0.00835 meters. D is the distance between the slits. And I was shining on the second one there. The distance between the slits was 0.7 millimeters. Now I know it's 0.7 millimeters is because Cornell plates are designed so that they're all the same. There's a standard, and this just tells you what the measurements are. So 0.0007 meters divided by n, which I established as 4, and then L is the distance from the plate to the wall, and that's the last measurement I need. Any guess whether it'll collapse before I get there?
I'll say,
It's going to collapse.
I'm practically there.
hang on a minute. 2.3 meters,
It's about 5 meters.
5 meters. Oh,
2.27.
Oh, that was right, that was 2.3.
All right, if someone would be kind enough to do that calculation.
Uh, 6.437 times 10 to the -7.
6.437 times 10 to the -7?
Yeah.
All right. That units?
Meters?
Yep. It is a wavelength, it is a length. All right, so typically wavelength of light is done in nanometers, so that'd be 643.7 nanometers. And the official wavelength of that light is between 635 and 670 nanometers. It just gives a range, 630 nanometers to nanometers, there's a range there, to 670 nanometers.
Isn't that orange?
Pardon?
Isn't that orange?
Should be red.
Isn't red like 750?
Well, my handy dandy chart right here. Red goes from, well, depending on what source it is. Red goes from 620 or 625 up to 700 to 750. 700 according to one, 740 another, 750 at the third source for red. and the bottom end, 625 or 620. Orange is, just be honest. However, our prediction is within the manufacturer's range. And once again, what I'm trying to get across to you is not complete BS. And on that note, I will see you tomorrow. Oh, let me hand back tests. Mixed bag. Now typically, I allow test corrections to get some points back. Obviously, much less time. If you get, so if by Friday, if you just make corrections, trying to convince me that you know what trying to convince me that you know what you're talking about, make corrections, you can send it to me, take a picture of the test, take a picture of your corrections, send it to me.
Is because I said so a good enough answer?
Probably not. But there's been at least one test question in my career where that would have been a legitimate answer.
And you said I have to send it to you through your email.
Yeah, or if you have it on Thursday, you can bring it Thursday.
Okay,
but
yeah, cause if I can put it on a piece of paper and give it to you Thursday, I think
yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I'm good with the hard copy. But again, the overarching theme there is you're trying to convince me you understand, so just writing the answer down gets you nothing. Usually not an issue at this level. 110 students, they're more the ones more likely just to give me an answer. It makes it easy just to ignore it, but not satisfying.